Hello, beautiful planner girls. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Aline from Little Plans. Grab yourself your cup of coffee, tea, a snack. Of course, grab yourself your planner. Because we are memory planning today. I definitely want to use this kit. I'm so excited for it. I've been hoarding this for a couple of years, I feel like. So I don't know if you can still get it, but this is by PaperCrownPlanner called Gingerbread, and I think it is the cutest thing ever. And I'm of course going to be using the gingerbread foil. And I thought I'll just use it in the special green foil, and I love it. I do have this right here because I was like, of course, testing it. And I feel like this looks really cute, like it really pops. And then whenever there's some green, I feel like it goes really well with that green. Like, I love it. I love the way this looks like. And I feel like there's, really cute quotes that will go perfectly with this kit. And we did make some gingerbread houses on this week, so it goes perfectly. Like, everything goes together really nicely. So I cannot wait to go ahead and use all of these. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead with my base, and I feel like I always get started this way, but it just makes me like, I don't know, have a routine. I like it. So I'm gonna go into my kit and definitely gonna get started with that. Shall we do full boxes or washi? I'm gonna do full boxes first now. I definitely wanted these girls like here on top. I love them. I feel like this was me and my sisters. A friend of my little sister came, and then my big sister's fiance came. So it was like a full house, and it was really fun just like having everyone doing Christmas cookies. But this was us. Like it was definitely the vibe, and I kind of really wanted to do something like this, which is like very plain, but I think it'll look really cute with a quote on top from like the foil bundle. I think that will look really cute. So maybe we'll do that, and then we're gonna go ahead and just like decorate the rest. And I feel like if you have these kind of like kits that look a little bit more simple, they don't have a lot, they're not too busy, and you want to make them pop a little bit more, a foil for me is a great way to do it. So I love it. Definitely I feel like the gingerbread cookies I want like on top. How cute are these? So cute. It was a really nice weekend. We made also like hot cocoa, like it was filled with just like holiday activities, and this was definitely like the week I felt like the holidays are here, So let's just pop right there. And then which one I haven't used? I feel like this, because it's food. Anything that's food, you guys know I love flat lace, but these ones are okay too. Like food flat lace though are my favorite. Okay, and we have these ones with all of the cookies. How cute are all of these gingerbread cookies? Just gonna put them there. So I feel like that's cute. Do we have anything that I haven't used? I feel like I didn't use this one, which is like way too cute not to be used. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it right here. And I feel like maybe we can do something at the bottom. Something, I haven't used this one. And this as well will look really cute with some quote. So let's just like space this out a little bit better. Love that. And I am dying to put my washi tape. So love all of the washi. Love these. I think it's so cute. Okay, and then we're gonna do this one. And I feel like we could, what can we use here on the bottom? Let me see. I don't know if I want to use any of these. Maybe we'll use this one. This like scalloped one. I think it's cute, and of course it goes really nicely with the kids. So maybe we'll pop these a little bit more down. And then we can just like pop that here and then copy this one. And we will need to crop. I don't know, I think around there. Okay. There we go. I do quite like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and play with the foil because I definitely want to add some of that. So, oh, you know what? No, I'm completely wrong. I definitely need to do my date covers and my headers. So I'm gonna do really quickly my date covers. You don't have to see this tedious thing. And I'm gonna do all of my glitter headers as always, and then on the full boxes I'm gonna put the cute little, I don't know, maybe I will do half of these and then half of these ones on top of the full boxes, and then the rest of them will do just glitter boxes as always. Excited to use these with the day dots. I feel like the day dots on top in the green foil are gonna look so cute on top of the red. So let's go ahead and play with that, and I'll be right back. Okay, this is really super cute, so I definitely want to go ahead and start with my foil. First of all, I kind of want to figure it out. I like both of them. Hold on. Let me check these for the headers on top here. I definitely feel like I'm going to end up going with this one. Because cute. I love it here. And then maybe we'll use these here, like these kind of sparkles on top of the candy cane. Yes, so we're gonna do that to incorporate some of that green. I love it, and I feel like we'll have to use these here to like match the double box. I love that. And then I feel like we could do these ones here, because this box doesn't have any blue, this box doesn't have any blue. So we're gonna pop the blue, and then with this one, we're gonna pop it here. And of course, not the whole thing, we're gonna pop this one here. So freaking cute. Okay, and I definitely wanna go ahead and like pop these here and kind of use it as dividers as well. So cute. I definitely want to go into the foil and grab some of these ones. I don't know which ones I want to use where, but I definitely think I want to use this one, the Baking Sweet Memories. I feel like that should go here. I love that. That looks way too cute. And then maybe this gingerbread one here. Cookie baking crew. So pretty, so fun. I feel like this definitely adds an extra bit of something. Shall we go crazy and just do all of them? Shall we? I mean, like, I feel like they really go. Of course, they go together, but like with the kit as well. I think they look really cute. So I'm going to leave those there. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab all of the full box frames, and let's see which ones I like where. So I feel like we could use something like this that has a little bit more deco here, so that this looks a little bit like more of some things. I feel like it just looks kind of pale. I don't know. These could go here with the rest of the cookies. I feel like that's cute. Let's see. These definitely. Shall we put this with the girls? I feel like I could also go with this one. I don't know. I feel like maybe we'll do these here, and maybe we'll do these, as I always do it with like the double boxes, and just kind of duplicate that, and then we can crop this side, make that work like this. Love that. I feel like that's super cute. And then have a couple. I definitely want to add the frame here. That's gonna look so cute. I love that. I love the vibe. And then we're gonna do this one here. So cute. I love it. I feel like, did I put frames on all of them? Yes. Every single one of them has foil. I love it. And then I'm gonna go in here because I definitely want to add, I feel like these ones on top, maybe. Let's see how they look. Oh my god, that is way too cute. Way too cute. Yes, I'm loving that. I'm loving that vibe. I'm gonna center it a little bit. Okay. And then we're gonna copy and paste it here. Love that. I just love it. That is so cute. Oh my god. And I feel like I might have to crop this guy here because it looks like he's floating and I kind of want them to like pop from the date covers. That looks way too cute. And then here at the bottom we can do, what can we do? We could either do these ones, but I feel like we should just the same with the other ones. I think these are gonna keep more with the theme, so we're gonna pop those maybe here at the bottom to like just add a little bit of something and kind of keep it balanced with the top. So we have like the green top and bottom, and I love that. What else can we do? I feel like I'm just gonna go ahead and add my bougie boxes and a couple of labels here to like put some important stuff. And oh, my day dots, and I'll be right back. So yeah, I feel like this is looking really cute. Okay, you guys, so I'm running out of space on my phone, so I really quickly just wanted to show you that I'm gonna add some really cute character stickers right here in the bar to like put something cute. I'm gonna use this one for like the cookies that we baked, and then this one for hot cocoa with friends and family. So I just love that, and I'm just gonna write that, I feel like, and that'll be it. I think that's turned out to be like really cute spread. I love it. It's super duper green. I think it's so freaking cute. And I love the gingerbread cookies, of course. So that'll be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you beautiful planner girls on my next video. Bye bye.